So, how's your day going? Well, my day's going pretty good because today we're going to be opening Topps 2021 Allen and Ginter pack. One of the main reasons I'm really excited about this is because you can look for any of these three cards. Autograph cards, we like those. Relic cards, we love those. Rip cards, printing plates, we love one of those. And a book cards. And we've never seen any of those before. So now we're going to cut in.
Be careful.
Oh. Hey, successful. Okay. Right, so I push it in the front.
Careful. Set it down.
You know.
Yep. No, I'm just guessing. Okay. Oh, let's set these aside. Be careful. Those are the
Very important.
oversized box loader.
That's a lot of cards, buddy.
Oh yeah. Let's just open a few. Okay?
Yeah, we'll time lapse this. A couple, some of these, right?
All right.
They just want to see us opening.
Yeah, that is a lot. How many are in there?
A bunch. I don't actually even know.
Well, how many is that so far?
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Probably like 21 packs or so.
There are 8 cards in
Okay.
a pack.
Well, let's pause a second while we get all that out. Okay.
All right. Okay. So there are actually 24 packs, and we're gonna open this one on camera. Allen and Ginter Topps 21, or Topps 21 Allen and Ginter. Here we go. Ooh. Alright. Hayes. I don't know where his full name is. Hayes. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, we got a small card.
That's cool.
I don't really know.
Yeah, that's one of the things that comes in this box is some of these mini cards.
Yeah.
We're going to look them up.
Is this Pete Alonso?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so it says their last name, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I like that. That's bird and pig.
Hey!
Yeah, I like that. That's pretty neat. But
Well,
yeah.
that's cool. There's 2 special things in there.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
special.
so let's do a quick. Ooh, careful.
Well,
let's do a quicker video of you opening a bunch of them, and then we'll show the special cards.
We'll
at the
show
end.
the special cards. We'll go into normal speed when we find the special. All right.
I mean,
Sure. You're starting off with the animals?
animals.
All right.
Some mini cards.
Mhm.
What do you have there?
We got a
Christmas
tree.
tree.
Just a tree. We got relics, and then
Right.
over here we got some more cards that my mom liked.
One of our relic cards is Jimmy Pardo and his suit.
Yeah. Yep.
I assume that's what that piece of cloth is.
Yeah, that would make sense.
One of the cartoonists who drew Garbage Pail Kids.
Yeah.
A lot of interesting things.
And
Okay, go ahead.
then we open the pack.
Maybe
And he leaves.
if Jimmy Pardo comes to town, we'll try to get him to sign that.
Oh, yeah. Boop. Boop. I see just grapes.
Do you like the style of these cards?
Oh, yes, they
Yeah, they're
look
pretty
very
cool.
nice.
What you got there?
Grapes. Grapes.
Oh, grapes.
Grapes.
Well, and what's that card?
Card. Murad.
What's it say on the back?
Bryce Harper. Philadelphia Phillies. Murad Reimagined.
Reimagined. Okay, we'll look at that.
Alright.
Okay, do you want to open another one?
Sure. Let's go.
I mean, you know Bryce Harper, and that's a cool card, but I didn't know what the little symbol on it was.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I'm making sure we
Oh,
get
yeah,
these.
you're right. With these, you got to make sure there's not a mini that got stuck in there or something.
Yeah. Alright, there's our mini and the cool looking card. July.
Oh, yeah, Ty Cobb. There you go. Okay.
July. Bottom piece. And it's never ending. Oh.
24 packs is a lot.
I don't see anything. I haven't seen anything yet. I don't know why I made the face. Oh, I mean.
Oh, here you go. What's
What? Is this a real autograph?
Ooh, there's a mini stuck to the back.
There's a mini on the back.
this? Oh, sorry.
Oh, the mini's stuck. Is that a real autograph?
Star autograph. Looks
Real?
like it.
So it's a real autograph.
I think so. We'll look at it. Okay, but that might be your third, special card.
Yeah.
That might be a real autograph, right?
Yeah. If we don't find any more on the other
Right.
packs, then that means
Yeah.
it is.
All right. You want to go back to Hyper?
Let's go hyper speed.
All right. So,
Here's our collection of cards.
right. Got some trees, some
Yeah,
sharks,
sharks, some rhinos.
lots of minis.
Yeah.
That is a real autograph there,
Yeah.
right?
Yep. And
And-
top hat.
and-
You need
a
the
top
top
hat.
hat to be good.
Right. There's your two
relics.
relics.
And a couple more.
Various other famous people and
Cow-
two more Orioles
Ripken
cards. Well,
Jr. and
you'd also got Ray,
yep.
Eddie, and Robinson.
Eddie Robinson.
Okay.
Right. And then we open. And
Yeah. Look.
why don't you see that? Oh, we got another one of the pairs that we got at the very beginning.
Double of a parrot.
Double.
Okay. So, please, please message if you need a parrot
Yeah.
Yep. This is our last
rhino.
normal.
or a
pack.
rhino.
Or
We are-
rhino.
we
Or
are double-
galaxy. Or galaxy.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, we have two guys. This is our last normal pack, and then we're going on to a special pack.
To see what's in that oversized box loader.
Yeah. Is he a wrestler or something? Is he a
Yeah.
wrestler? Or something? I don't know.
Peter Yan. Russian boxer.
I knew he's a boxer. Alright, that concludes it for all our normal.
Okay.
Now.
Be careful with this. I don't know what's in there. Can you help?
Yeah, I do.
You want to help him? There you go.
Thank
Let's see
you.
if that works.
Careful, still
Let me-
split it at the top.
Let me do a little bit more. Wow, this seems big.
Yep, it's huge.
Wow. Okay. Okay, ready?
Wow.
Oh, wow.
That's a huge card. Congratulations, you have just received a box loader card of Alec Ball.
Cool.
Daddy, you liked Alec Ball
Yeah.
because he's a rookie.
Yep,
You liked him.
that's pretty cool.
Nice.
Okay, so what did you think of this box? This is our first time with
This
this.
is our first time with it, and I think it was pretty good. I wouldn't say any of the cards were bad. I like the style. I like the minis. I like the little special ones at the end. We could get it just trees.
Okay, all right. Well, that was
Bye.
really cool.
Thanks
Thanks for
for watching my video. Bye bye.